OPI GelColor with IntelliGel technology is a stroke of genius. It makes your work effortless and provides 3+ weeks of wear. It's not only for natural nails, it's also a perfect partner for finishing your enhancement services. Before you begin, be sure to finish your enhancements with a 180 grit file, then remove any dust or debris. As an optional first step, apply Super Base. This can help enable a smoother distribution of your color layer over a filed surface. Cap the free edge first to keep your application smooth and even. Remember to cap the free edge first for a smooth and even application. GelColor with IntelliGel technology is richly pigmented and provides excellent control so you can apply a super precise color layer without flooding or rework. For full color payoff, apply a second coat. Remember to apply in thin layers for a proper cure. Apply Super Gloss top coat over the entire nail to fully encase and protect your color layer. GelColor with IntelliGel technology is super pigmented, so be sure to float your top coat layer over the nail with light pressure. Remove the tacky film with NAS 99 cleansing solution, and then have your clients wash their hands with soap and water. Apply a drop of Pro Spa nail and cuticle oil to the base of each nail and massage it in.